Okay, this is the chicken shed of a layable chicken cage. There are totally 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 rows for 12,000 pieces of layable chicken cage. And it is using A-type chicken cage. Actually, this is a 3 tiers. 3 tier is like holding 90 pieces, but 4 tiers can holding like 120 pieces. So 4 tier will be better because this kind of customer, his first chicken shed is low, and he chose the A-type with 90 pieces. But the second, for his second project, he wants exactly same project, so we chose the 90 pieces chicken cage. And as you can see that the back of the chicken shed is a ventilation system, and it was together with the cooling pads in front. In front is cooling pad system. So these 2 units joined together can make sure the ventilation during the summer it can make the temperature lower. For example, if the temperature is over 30 degrees, the temperature inside can still keep within 25 degrees. And the windows, because it is because of Chinese situation, because the temperature can go up to 40 degrees and as low as to 0 degrees. So closed chicken shed can make sure to can keep warm during winter and make it cold during summer. The big window is good for the bird to take the sunshine. But actually, most of the customer in African just use open type because they have constant temperature in Africa. So this kind of a chicken shed can reduce raw material, and in the meantime, make sure that birds have the same sunshine, like to keep them as nature.